Hello guys, what's up? I'm Suresh Designer. Today we want to talk about how we can model this type of DOMs in SketchUp. Very simple and easy. Actually, DOM is one of the important things in architecture and have different type of models and things on it. So today we want to talk about how we can model it very simple and easy in SketchUp. So I'm gonna model some simple DOM like this image as you can see, and after that I'm gonna model some type of DOMs like this. So I'm going to start with these DOM in here. I will go to my SketchUp environment. I want to change my unit from meter to centimeter. So I'm going to open the window unit and convert it to the centimeter in here. Now for example, I want to draw some wall with some dimensions. It depends on you. For example, I want to add 70 to the 800. Now I want to extrude it a little bit, something about maybe 400, and another detail for it about 36 or 23. Now we have some type of edges come outside, so you can model it very simple and easy. You just need to extrude these model in here like 22 centimeter, and you draw some line like this or a little bit in high side. Now I want to remove it with extrude option in here like that. As you can see, we create this model very simple and easy in a SketchUp for these things. So now in this image we have some type of arc in here and another arc to the inside in here. So I'm gonna click it, convert it to the group, use tape measure option and measure it about 440 and move it to this side of my plane, flip it to the red axis. Alright, now it's good. So you can adjust it a little bit more than the past, something like that, or no, it's good. So another option we have in here related to the arc option. So you can use arc everywhere you want. I'm going to use tape measure for this, about 20 and 20 for this side. So now I want to draw some simple arc on blue axis, something like that, about 266, something like this. And now I want to click on it, open my paint bucket, eternity info, and increase my segments from 12 to 18. Now I want to use offset option in here. So we have some inner offset, for example about the maybe 30 is good. And now I want to draw some line in here and another one in here. Now I want to delete these lines like this and remove these numbers. So I'm gonna press Ctrl on my keyboard and hold this type of model in here, and we have some another interior from this wall and this side. So I'm gonna model it very simple and easy. So I'm gonna use tape measure in here, use the midpoint option for it, 100 and 200 to this side, and another one for this place, 100 and another 100 for it, and our height is something about 290, something like that. I think it's good in here for now. Now I want to start my drawing. I'm gonna open this model in here. At first I'm gonna draw this box and use arc model about 80 and remove these extra lines in here and extrude it to the backside. And another one in this place, I'm gonna draw my rectangle again, use arc option like that and remove these extra lines in here. So I can remove this face with extruding. As you can see, this is our first the DOM model in here. I'm going to save it. So I'm going to convert this to the group and all of them to the another group. So I'm going to check it in this place. Another type of DOM we have, and it's really famous, is this type of circular DOM in here. Actually it's using some different type of architectures like Iranian architecture, Italian architecture, or other type of arcs. So I'm going to draw this very simple and easy, but not with all of the details in here. I will talk about that in the next sessions. So I will come back to my model in here, and for the first I'm going to draw some circle about, for example, 250 radius. And now I want to use line option in here, select my center point, change it to the 200, another drawing to this place and this place, from this point to this point actually. Now I want to add some type of 2-point arc again. For this option I'm gonna use this type of arc about 30 centimeter and remove these extra lines in here. I'm going to select all of my face, hold shift on my keyboard and deselect my face. Now only we have edges, so I'm going to click on the follow me option and press this item. As you can see, we create this type of DOM very simple and easy. You can extrude this face to the downside with any type of number you want, and I think it's really cool in SketchUp. So you can see the differences between these two models in here, like that. For example, 500 and another extrudation to the downside, something like that, for example. As you can see, we have this type of models in here, and this is how we can draw it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe, don't forget it, and goodbye.